You know, when you get really busy editing videos and, you know, I've had this big sale, I had a plant sale, I had a garage sale, so much going on here that I haven't had the time to really focus on my garden and my plants. And I've made some discoveries since I've been back from Tennessee, and I wanted to share them. Some things that I thought were history came back. Take a look. This is sugar cane that I originally got from Jack Davis. Is hanging pretty low and it's going to be harvested today. But I wanted to show you what's growing underneath it. That is ginger. Now I bought a plant. Something happened, it didn't do well, we took it out. I just noticed like a couple of days ago that it has shot back up. In addition, this is my goji plant. I had so many goji berries just from that. Well, there were 2 plants. They got covered in mildew last year. I said, I don't have enough sun to grow goji berry here anyway, so I took it out. I think because they are planted beside my Oya, I think that's a 1-gallon Oya planted right beside it, so they always get an even amount of moisture. They get the moisture that they need. I actually love using the Oyas, which are the ceramic vessels that hold water. You dig a hole and there's a reservoir in there, and they come in different sizes, all different sizes. Look at this. I am so excited because when I came back from Tennessee, this Roselle plant was blooming, and this is the most success I've had with Roselle since I first got the seeds probably 2-3 years ago from Jack Davis at Epic Yard Farm, who, by the way, is going to be here this coming weekend. So you have that to look forward to. I'm going to get her cooking something in my garden. She's a great cook, so don't miss those videos. Now, as I got down here to show you this beautiful flower, I see that there is a worm, of course, eating on that lovely flower and deforming it. See if you can see that. It is standing straight up. I just find all the creatures in the garden as fascinating as the plants and the fruit themselves. I mean, that's like a yoga headstand. Remember I made this trellis for this squash plant, this pumpkin, and it only had the one little fruit on the plant, and this was laying on the ground when I got back from Tennessee. That was probably eaten by fig beetles. But I see 2 figs at the top, 3 that haven't been eaten, so let's go get them. Ready. This recent heat has just made my figs ripen. This is a desert fig and it is almost ripe. It ripens when it's green. Most of the desert figs exist up high. I can't even reach them. I actually sold all of my 6-foot ladders, so. Very often a fig will just twist off which makes harvesting easy. But as often as not, you start to twist and it tears it up. So that happened to me last night. Depends on the ripeness. This one is oozing milk. I am so surprised because it has been literally years since my Jerusalem artichoke bloomed. With all of the growing up of the perennials in the garden, they just didn't get as much sun, and they just don't bloom without sun. And guess what happened? When I moved them in a recent video out to the front, along with my cranberry hibiscus, look what happened. These are 6 feet off the ground, and they're very much like little daisies or sunflowers. That's a sign that the roots are developing. Now I'm standing on the fence and I'm able to get closer to the taller blooms that have already come and gone. This is an exciting moment because I've only tried 2 Cape gooseberries because birds got everything in the beginning. And look what I just harvested. I just gathered up that many. Now they're supposed to be kind of orange when they're ready. This is close. Yeah, it's tart. Same here, probably going to be the same story. That one was better. It tasted more like a tomato. And it's in the tomato family if you've never grown it. I'm going to get the ones with the more papery lantern. Ah, yes. Yes. It's like a cross between a I don't even know what that's like. It's like a tomato but citrusy or oh look, this one's perfect. That is the perfect color. And I picked this one up off the ground. I can't believe it didn't get eaten. That had some interesting tones of I don't know what. I am in love. Look how orange that one is. Yay. I am gonna scour this plant and the ground to see what else is down there. It takes on this whole sweet, unique flavor once it gets riper. What does that taste like? It's sort of like between a tomato and a grape or something. It's funny. Now, while we're here, I just wanted to show you my cranberry hibiscus, which has gone crazy. You can't see, but it's another almost 1.5 foot. But look. And I'm seeing the beginnings, it looks like, of flower development. Yep. In a few days, that should be more obvious. When I got back from Sicily in 2016, I was desperate for my own caper plant. And so I ordered 2 plants when I went to the National Heirloom Expo in 2017. I planted them last year and I was so excited, but they did not thrive. And I thought that was it, you know, another desire vanquished. But it seems that they came back. Take a look. Upon closer inspection, I see that there is a larva eating on the leaves. There's always something eating on something. But Hopefully it'll survive. It doesn't look that great. I just checked one of these yesterday. One is covered in mold, so I missed that yesterday. And the other one, which is dripping wet, look what's on the back side of that. That, my friend, is a Monarch Caterpillar. And that looks like second instar, the second phase of the caterpillar. They shed their skin 4 times till they get to the 5th instar when they're fully developed. And bell pepper is not a natural food of the caterpillar, so I'm not sure what it's doing on there. The milkweed is very close to the pepper plant, and I am going to merely put it back on this milkweed. You can see the seed pods of the milkweed have exploded and have turned this Sweet Annie into a Christmas tree. I came back from Tennessee with a cold, so I am drinking tea with oil of oregano, clove, and peppermint, and thieves, and helping to open up my head and congestion. And I just want to thank everybody for watching this channel and liking my videos, and especially sharing them with your friends. Don't forget to share. That's how my channel grows, and it's been growing incredibly this year, so I just want to keep that going. Thanks so much for your support. Be sure and order a Late Bloomer t-shirt, and you'll find other ways to support this channel in the description below. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.